We guide you through how to fix app not working on Android. So the first thing you need to do is to restart your Android phone to clear temporary system glitches. If the app still doesn't work, go to Settings, tap Apps, find the problem app, then Storage, and tap Clear Cache. Try opening the app again. If that doesn't work, check for updates in the Google Play Store because an outdated app can cause compatibility problems. You should also make sure your Android system is updated by going to Settings, System, then Software Update. If it's still not working, go back to the app settings and tap Force Stop, then reopen the app. As a final step, you can uninstall and reinstall the app to replace any corrupted files. These quick fixes can solve most common Android app problems without needing professional help.